Today, I'm going to show you a fun way to peel a garlic that doesn't make your hands smell. Start by taking a bulb of garlic, put it into a glass jar, and put the lid on. Then take a firm grip of the jar and give it a good shake. Keep shaking and you should see the bulb starting to break up. If you want, you can open the jar and remove the outer skin. Keep shaking and after a while, you should see the garlic cloves starting to come out of their skin. Keep shaking, and when it looks like they're all done, tip the contents into a bowl. If you prefer, you can use a mixing bowl and place a chopping board on top. Then you can sort through the cloves and give them a wash. To store them, you can pop them into a food bag and put them in a freezer. Or you can put them in a clean jar and preserve them in oil. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more cooking tips, click on the